What's up everyone? My name's Chris, aka Modern Milt. Now I'm part of the OLFA All-Pro team, and today I'm going to show you the OLFA 45C rotary cutter. Now this tool is preloaded with a super sharp long life carbide blade that cuts a variety of materials. The large handle has a comfortable grip even with gloves and allows for safely cutting away from the body. Now this OLFA cutter is great for all different types of materials, like cutting Schluter for tiling. That's the underlayment under the tile. Good for cutting carpeting. This will cut through carpet on a roll. It's also good for cutting ram board. Now ram board I use on almost a weekly basis to protect flooring or surfaces I don't want to get damaged. So this is a lot easier cutting that stuff instead of running a blade through it, and sometimes it's just a little awkward. But anyways, so taking a closer look at this tool. With the easy no tool blade change, this makes it really easy to change the blade. So by undoing that, you open everything up, and on the inside you have the 12 position rotary cutter. Positions represent the point of the blade where it cuts through the material, and being a circular cutter you have 12 positions on this. This keeps the blade sharper, longer. This cutter is also a level 3 safety cutter because the circular blade is actually enclosed in the tool itself, and there's less risk of actually cutting your fingers or anybody else around you. This tool should be any tradesman or woman's toolbox when they're on a job site to protect flooring, when they're cutting the uncoupling membrane, cutting Tyvek paper, cutting carpeting, whatever. So take a look at this rotary cutter, the OLFA 45C. Check out their Instagram page at OLFA Cuts for more. I'm Chris from the OLFA All-Pro team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.